Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best low wattage coffee maker you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many low wattage coffee maker and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each low wattage coffee maker so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a low wattage coffee maker. First, check the wattage rating to ensure it fits your power source, especially if you plan to use it in an RV, camper, or off-grid location. Next, consider the brewing capacity since smaller machines often make 1 or 2 cups at a time, which may affect convenience. Look for energy efficiency and quick heating features to save electricity while maintaining good performance. Evaluate the build quality, material durability, and ease of cleaning to ensure long-term use. Lastly, think about portability and compact design if you need to save counter space or travel with it. By balancing power efficiency, performance, and practicality, you can find a low wattage coffee maker that perfectly suits your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful reviews and tips.